Have you ever been in this situation? You try to open a bottle cap, but it's too tight and you just can't twist it off? Don't worry. Today, I'll share 5 genius tricks to help you open a bottle cap easily in just a few seconds. Why are bottle caps so tight? Zoom in on a tightly sealed bottle cap. But before we begin, do you know why bottle caps are sometimes so hard to open? Now let's explore 5 simple but super effective ways to open a tight bottle cap. Why are bottle caps so tight? Use a rubber band, works like magic. The simplest way is to wrap a rubber band around the cap. This increases friction, making it much easier to twist open. Rubber band trick, works like magic. Tap the cap. Quick and easy. Another great trick is to use a spoon or knife to lightly tap around the cap. This helps break the pressure seal inside, making it looser. Tap the cap. Quick and easy use. Hot water loosens the cap. If the cap is too tight, submerge just the cap in hot water for 10 seconds. The heat will make the cap expand, making it much easier to open hot water trick. Super effective, use gloves for a better grip. If your hands are slippery, use rubber gloves or a paper towel to increase grip when twisting the cap. Gloves equals more grip, less slip. Heat the cap with a lighter. Be careful. If you don't have hot water, you can carefully use a lighter to warm up the cap for about 5 seconds. The heat will make the cap expand, making it easier to twist off fire trick, but be careful. Outro. Call to action. So we've just learned 5 simple but super effective ways to open a tight bottle cap. Which trick is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more life hacks. Comment your favorite hack below.